YouTube channel. I wanted to get into this video by showing you guys how I make my overnight oats, which are just like oatmeal and toppings you put on oatmeal, but you leave it in the fridge over the night. So I'm very excited to eat this in the morning. It tastes so good. I'm just making it tonight because I have my internship in the morning, so I don't really have much time in the morning to make food. So it's just a quick, easy thing. It's already ready once you take it out of the fridge, and I'm excited to show you guys how to make it. Let's get into it. To start, I always just use a plastic container that I can easily put a lid over just to cover it while it's in the fridge. I'm using this Quaker lower sugar maple and brown sugar oatmeal pack. Put it in there. I'm gonna use a water bottle, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water at the bottom just for a base. Use a few splashes of this Fairlife milk just to add some creaminess. Add some creamer. I know this is weird, and that just adds a really good flavor. And don't be afraid to use a lot of liquid because overnight the oats soak up most of the liquid. So when you open it in the morning, it's going to be pretty dry, if I'm being honest with you. Using these organic chia seeds. Just going to take about a spoonful. Not that much. You don't need much of these. But honestly, it might have been too much. Also using Made Good Crispy Light Granola. I'm probably going to do a spoon or two of this. And this just adds more of a crunch. And also kind of acts as more oats since I only used one pack of the oatmeal. Using some honey. You could honestly skip this step. It's pretty sweet already, but I like things pretty sweet, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Lastly, I'm going to finish it off with some Jif peanut butter for protein, and who doesn't love peanut butter? And after you're done using the peanut butter, make sure you give the rest to your dogs. They will definitely thank you afterwards. Putting a top on this so that it's going to be in the fridge for a couple hours just to keep it nice and fresh overnight. I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning and how it turns out. It's always my most dreaded part of the night when I have to clean up after dinner, but we always got to get it done to feel good when we wake up in the morning. I'm just getting ready for my internship and getting ready to eat breakfast, make a coffee. I wanted to show you guys the overnight oats that I made last night to show you guys how it came out. So this is them. The oatmeal and oats have completely soaked. They taste super good and I'm so excited to eat them. delicious this looks. So this is just a quick and easy lunch. Amazing gluten-free bread. Maybe add some hot sauce. My semester starts tomorrow for school. It's a Wednesday tomorrow and I'm not ready to start school yet, but summer has to come to an end eventually. It's actually my last semester of college ever. I don't know how I feel about it. It's online this semester again, the school I go to. So that should be interesting. I kind of don't mind online classes because it just gives me time to study when I can and work around my schedule, which is nice. I do kind of miss in-person classes and that, like I miss seeing people and meeting people in my classes and being social, but I'll have to wait. I've also been trying to apply for jobs for after school. I've been starting to do that yesterday and hopefully I can get a job. I'm ready to get settled and get myself into a routine for the semester, and hopefully this last semester goes well. Go to my thrift shop near my house, and I just want to look for a few pieces that I think would be complimentary in certain places. So I'll show you guys what I mean. Like this room right here, I want to look for like maybe some chairs, like sitting chairs for here and here, and maybe like a coffee table, just because this is supposed to be the dining room, but I'm actually not using it as that. I also want to look for like a very narrow, small, thin table to put here, because it's kind of like a hallway. So when you walk in, it's very bare and empty. I just left the first thrift store that I went to, and honestly they didn't have that many things like that I was looking for. They had some home decor, like furniture pieces, but they were a lot bigger than what I was looking for. They did have like those two chairs that I showed you, but I would have to like reupholster them because I don't like the color and it doesn't really fit my house. So they're a good price. I don't know if it's worth buying though, so I'm gonna keep looking and think about it. I actually have to go to the pet store because my dog ran out of food, so I have to go buy her a new bag of food. Felt the sun fill my skin. Giving in while I'm letting go. Lost my job. Hi, can I have an extra large hot caramel coffee, light and sweet?
That complete order?
Yes.
Okay, you got to the one at 3.5.
Thank you. I'm so excited that it's almost fall. There's pumpkin flavors now at Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks. I'm so excited. Didn't get a pumpkin one this time because I was in the mood for hot coffee. So excited. I love the pumpkin flavors. I wish they had them all year round. I usually just get like pumpkin iced coffee or something. I don't like the pumpkin when it's hot, but the iced is so good. Hey you guys, so it is the next day and school has officially started. So that's very exciting. I've already had a couple of assignments that I finished, and just working on things around the house still, like unpacking and all that organizing. For today, I'm actually going to get my nails done soon. I haven't got my nails done long before I even started packing, so that's exciting. My nails horrible. Later on, we're just going over family's house and just spending some time together, relaxing by the pool. After moving and everything, I'm finally getting on top of like unpacking boxes and stuff. So as of now, I only have like 2 more boxes to unpack and organize, find places for those things. This box that I'm going through right now is kind of just like dog stuff that I have to put away and all that, find a place for, which I really don't have any space for anything. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put this stuff yet. It's really come to starting to put the little dog toys in this vase. It's not permanent, but I just genuinely don't know where to put the extra dog toys. I already have so many in here. I just cleared out this little ottoman. I have like 2 ottomans here, and I decided I'm just gonna put the dog toys in there. Ton of other toys too and stuff, but for now this is just what was in the box, and the vase over there. Trying to keep it organized enough. I'm about to leave to get my nails done. As I was saying before, I'm so excited to get them done. I'm just one of those people who is terrible at doing my own nails, and I was just trying to save some money for the move and everything. So I'm beyond excited to not have blank nails anymore. For the drive, I just brought some pistachios and Coca-Cola with 0 sugar, just because I don't have time to stop and get a coffee or anything. I'll show you guys what nails I ended up getting. I just left the nail salon, and I'm so excited to finally have my nails done again. I just went for like this like nude natural color, and this is a new shape I've never tried, like the almondy shape, but I kind of like it, something different. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday now, and I'm heading into Tampa today, and I'm bringing the dogs. I'm just gonna go explore, maybe go to the beach, relax, and enjoy the weekend. I'm gonna bring you guys along with what I get up to. And I just showered, and now I'm gonna put this Living Proof Restore Instant Repair in my hair. Just washed it for the first time in a few days. I feel like it's been a little dry, so I'm only gonna put those at the ends of my hair. It feels so good to have finally showered after being out in the sun and at the beach all day. Now I'm gonna get ready to make dinner. I'm so hungry and haven't ate since like 11 a.m. For dinner, I'm just making a veggie quinoa burger with some chicken nuggets and some rice. This was the result of making my veggie burger, a complete fail. I forgot to flip it halfway through, so then when I went to, it was already too like mushy and cooked, but oh well, it'll still taste good. I just finished eating dinner and relaxed for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go for an evening walk just to relax and get some more steps in for today. I like to be as active as possible, especially since the weather's still so nice and warm. I hate the winter. Try to get in as much outdoor time as possible when it's nice out. These are such golden hour vibes. I love it to appreciate these moments. I just got back from my walk, and I feel very satisfied as my legs hurt so badly. I love going for nightly walks as the sun sets. Really in the mood to just sit outside, maybe watch a little movie. I really wanted to do roast some s'mores, but I don't think that's gonna happen as I don't have most of the stuff, and I probably won't actually go run out and get it. I'm gonna end the video here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new and you like this video. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. See you next time.